Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best heated Dewalt jackets is probably one of the most sought-after pieces of equipment for those who work outdoors or enjoy winter activities, offering unparalleled warmth and comfort in freezing temperatures. This video will dive deep into what makes a heated jacket stand out from the rest, examining key features, performance, and value to help you make an informed decision before buying one. Number 5. Dewalt DCHJ067B XL Heated Jacket. Stay warm and comfortable all day long with this innovative jacket. It's powered by your Dewalt 20V Max or 12V Max battery, providing long-lasting warmth. It runs on Dewalt 20V Max or 12V Max batteries, giving you hours of warmth. No more shivering on the job site. Easily adjust the temperature to your liking with the LED controller and 3 heat settings. Find your perfect warmth level. It features a USB power source, allowing you to charge your portable devices while staying warm. Never worry about a dead phone again. Strategically placed heating zones provide warmth where you need it most. Enjoy targeted warmth and all-day comfort. Made from durable, wind-resistant polyester, it's built to withstand harsh conditions. It will keep you protected from the elements. The outer shell is made from 100% polyester for superior durability and weather resistance. It's built to last. What we like. It's compatible with multiple battery types and has a handy USB port for charging your devices. If you need versatility and extra power, this is the jacket for you. It's perfect for those who need to stay connected and warm on the job site or in the outdoors. What people say. This sweater worked great. I work in chilled areas and this comes in handy, helps me stay warm. It's dead reliable and dead simple. It stays very warm if it's below 20 degrees. I need to wear this and my Carhartt jacket. Number 4. Dewalt Heated Work Coat. Stay warm and comfortable all day long with this durable and powerful heated coat. It's perfect for those cold winter days on the job. This coat is built to last with a heavy-duty duck fabric outer shell that's water and wind resistant. It will protect you from the elements. The warm fleece polyester lining and flannel-lined hood will keep you toasty, even in freezing temperatures. You'll stay comfortable all day long. With a smooth polyester sleeve lining, it slips on and off easily. The gusseted underarms and stretch back provide a full range of movement. 5 heating zones strategically placed across the chest, arms, and back provide customizable warmth where you need it most. You'll stay warm and focused on the task at hand. It also features a hideaway ribbed storm cuffs and a drawstring cord on the hood for added protection from the wind and cold. You'll be prepared for anything. What we like. This jacket is built to last with its durable, weather-resistant outer shell. If you work in harsh conditions and need maximum protection from the elements, this is the one. Its multiple heating zones ensure you stay warm all day long. What people say. Great coat for cold weather. Glad the battery pack can be relocated to the front breast pockets. The jacket is also reversible and still looks great. It also runs true to size. We made the mistake of getting a size larger, but it's all good. Great coat. Super warm even without the heater on. Well made for working outside in the cold, and it's basically waterproof, the water beads right off. Sizing is a pretty good match. I wear a 2XL shirt and it is a 2XL coat and I can wear a hoodie under it fine. Number 3. Heated Soft Shell Jacket Kit. Stay warm and comfortable all day long with this innovative jacket. Its multiple heating zones provide customizable warmth where you need it most. It features a durable, water and wind-resistant outer shell to protect you from the elements. You'll stay dry and comfortable no matter the weather. The warm fleece polyester lining provides exceptional comfort and insulation. You'll love the soft feel against your skin. The smooth polyester sleeve lining makes it easy to put on and take off. No more struggling with stiff fabrics. With a flannel-lined hood, ribbed collar, and storm cuffs, it offers a customized fit. You can adjust it to your liking for optimal comfort. Gusseted underarms and a stretch back provide a full range of motion. You can move freely without feeling restricted. It has 5 heating zones to keep you warm from your chest to your back. Enjoy targeted warmth exactly where you need it. What we like. It offers great weather protection without weighing you down. If you prioritize comfort and mobility, this jacket is a great choice. The multiple heating zones provide warmth without the bulk. Number 2. Dewalt Realtree Heated Hoodie DCHJ074D1. Stay warm and comfortable all day long with this innovative hoodie. It's perfect for outdoor work or leisure. This hoodie features a stylish Realtree extra camouflage pattern, blending seamlessly into any outdoor environment. It's both practical and fashionable. Enjoy customizable warmth with its integrated heating elements. It provides soothing heat exactly where you need it. Built with high-quality materials, it's designed to withstand the elements and provide lasting comfort. It's tough enough for any job. The unisex design ensures a comfortable fit for everyone. It's perfect for both men and women. It offers multiple heat settings, allowing you to adjust the temperature to your preference. Find your perfect level of warmth. With its simple controls, it's easy to operate and manage. Enjoy effortless warmth at your fingertips. Whether you're hunting, working outdoors, or simply enjoying the crisp air, it's the ideal companion. Stay warm and comfortable no matter the conditions. What we like. This stylish jacket blends in perfectly with its camouflage pattern. If you're looking for a fashionable and functional heated jacket for hunting or outdoor activities, this is it. It's comfortable and warm, ideal for blending into your surroundings. What people say. It works really well if you go out with a winter coat over it. Sat out in below freezing temp for over 5 hours hunting and it kept my core nice and warm. After several phone calls to Dewalt, was informed the battery pack has to be plugged into the pocket located on the back of the jacket, then you press and hold the power on button for 10 seconds or the button lights red to indicate power is on. Number 1. Dewalt Heated Jacket. Stay warm and comfortable all day long with this innovative jacket. It's perfect for working outdoors in cold weather. The soft shell outer layer provides superior protection from the elements. It's durable and wind-resistant, keeping you warm and dry. This jacket features advanced heating technology to keep you toasty warm. Enjoy customizable heat settings for optimal comfort. It has multiple heat settings, allowing you to adjust the temperature to your preference. Find your perfect warmth level easily. It's powered by a battery, providing hours of warmth. The battery is easily rechargeable for continued use. It's built to last with durable materials and a comfortable fit. You'll appreciate its quality and performance. It's ideal for various outdoor activities and jobs. Stay warm and focused on the task at hand. What we like. It provides warmth without the bulk, making it perfect for layering. If you value comfort and ease of movement, this is the ideal choice. It's comfortable enough for everyday wear and warm enough for cold weather. What people say. This coat has heating spots in the arms. It feels like you're wearing a heating pad. Absolutely love it. Item is great quality and a true fit for size ordered. Good jacket. I bought it to use for work and it's nice and warm. When the temperature is down around 30 degrees Fahrenheit, I typically run it on high or medium and I stay nice and toasty. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.